how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a chibi version of Sonic. So it's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? Stick around for the whole thing, because the whole thing's gonna be like 7 minutes, if not shorter. Let's get started. So, first thing I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna start with the curve right here for the bottom part of Sonic's mouth. But remember, this is chibi Sonic, okay? Like a squattier, like a different version of him. Pull up over here on the left side. Gonna go over here to the mouth area. Draw like a curved line here. Gonna go over here on this side. Find the nose. Kind of a almost like a sideways teardrop shape, but it's gonna be pretty small with a highlight in it. Draw a line over here for the mouth, right? You want to make them kind of like cute or whatever. Then I'm going to draw a circle right here for the eye. This is what I meant by it. It's going to be different. Circle right here for this eye. Real small eyes. Over here, out, down for one of the ears. Over here on this side, out, down. So the key for this kind of version of Sonic, like a chibi version, is a lot of the stuff is not going to be that pointed, right? So it is a triangle, but it's not like a really sharp triangle. I'm going to draw a line in here, out here, underneath here, out here. It's not a really sharp triangle, so curve up for one spike, down. Curve back, pull in here, and maybe like one more over here to pull in. Okay, so far really different version. All right, gonna go over here to the stomach area, and the stomach's gonna be a lot smaller, right? It's still gonna be a circle. Go over here, curve. All right, I'm gonna go over here and find the arm, which is basically a stick. Line over here. Line over here. Then we'll go to the hand. Nail like the thumb right there. Curve over here. It's gonna make like a mitten of a hand. Down over here for one leg, down over here for the other leg. Over here the back for a spike right there. That's gonna come in. Now we draw a small tail right there. It's like a little small triangle. Let's go over here for the sock area. Over here on this side, sock area. Over here on this side, curve down, curve back, out, down. Here, curve out, curve in, curve, 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 curve. For the shoes, right? You got that stripe over the top of the shoe. Let's go to the far end, and we're gonna draw, you can draw the other hand on that far side, line over here, line over here. Kind of that what do you call it, the cuff part of the glove. By the way, don't forget, if you like drawing different versions of Sonic, by the way, I have the normal version as well. I'm gonna put that link in the top right hand corner. Go check that out. If you like any of this kind of stuff, absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It's gonna let you know when I post, okay, and what I post. So you're gonna be able to see it on your timeline. It's gonna be really simple. On your feed page, you'll just be like, oh cool, I'll check that out. It kind of gives you that choice, right? Like you can see what I'm drawing that day, and you can be like, oh cool, I'll draw that today, or I don't want to draw it today. And that's what's kind of cool about it. There's no downside, so absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Let's go to the far end over here, and I'm gonna go over here on this side and maybe put the thumb over there on this side, and again draw the mitten of a hand, which is really just like a circle. It's nothing too miraculous or anything like that. I'm gonna draw a coin over here. I just want to do this, so maybe it's gonna be like a circle, and another circle. I wanted to draw like a ring over here that he's looking at. He's like, what? What is that? You know, kind of creating that little story, you know? And if you really want, you can make it like kind of glow. Right there to be like, huh? What's this? And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a thicker line kind of around the border of Sonic, the whole character. So right here I'm going to give a little bit of a thicker line, nothing too wild. Just kind of giving that little thickness here. But there's a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys are having a lot of fun doing this. It's a lot of fun in drawing different versions of the same, of like different characters, right? Like cool characters that you kind of grew up with. But this is that chibi version of Sonic, meaning that small, cute version that kind of out there. It's like a different version. I guess some people find that normal version cute, right? Which they totally can. And I think it is too sometimes, depending on when. Right on here. Whoops. It's kind of trying to get that a little bit like thicker version of that line right there. I'm trying to it's also kind of an exercise to trace the stuff you've already done, right? Like the outer part. It can absolutely be good for your dexterity, which is like the, you know, the way you move your hand, your ability to move, by the way. And, you know, since you have that ability to move, and if you are getting that, you know, I'm teaching you how to create more of an ability to move your hand. Move your hand over that like button and hit that like. That's definitely gonna, you know, good. It's good for the video, and you know, I was trying to work on transitions now. Trying to work on transitions. Hopefully that was a good one. If you guys liked it, thanks. If you didn't, I'm sorry. And that is roughly it. If you want to see another version of this, like a Tails version, let me know. So, don't forget, if you want to help the channel out, there's something you can do. Something you can do, that is to share the video. Share it anywhere. Absolutely share it, you know, like on Twitter or Reddit or anything like that. And it's going to help so much as far as just kind of the channel growth. I'm trying to get to 200,000 this year, followers. And right now we're at 175, so we're pretty close. So thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I will see you next time. Reach out to me anytime you want. Later. Skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.